Connect your Kindle to your laptop, then locate Fonts folder and then open README to read instructions how to install the fonts. You need OpenType or TrueType fonts in order to work. For this video I've used Google Fonts because they are easy to locate and download, and they have a lot of good options. For them to work, you need to put them in Fonts folder inside Kindle. In Kindle, you locate them in Fonts and then Custom Fonts, as shown in the video. You can change the bold and the size of every custom font, and as an important note, these custom fonts only work with original books purchased from Amazon.